My beautiful country people, greetings from Oranges. My people, how na dey oh? Chai, my people. God of Queen May is alive, my people. The Bible say that he will recover whatever the palmer worm, the caterpillar worm, the canker worm have eaten. All the wasted years that God is going to restore. And God of restoration is at work in the life of Queen May. Hey, my people, now wow. Now wow. Make we just dey pray oh. Those of us wey be say we don marry, God don bless us with good husband. Make una dey pray oh, say make woman like Judy no near our husband. Those of us wey we get children, when we get boys, we get girl, bad man no go near our daughters, and bad our daughters no go our sons no go see bad woman like Judy Ekwensu nwụrụ anwụ na-aga ije. My people, this relationship between Yul Edochie and Judy Austin no be today bread o, no be today thing, no be today thing. Now, the first time when I started this video, I say God has restored all the wasted years for Queen May. My people, una know say Queen May elder sister came down all the way from Nigeria because Queen May dey love oh, Queen May dey love. That woman dey love. Yul Edochie underestimated Queen May, thinking that Queen May is somebody that I can push left, right, center, or cajole her because of the kind of love when Yul Edochie notice say Queen May get for am. But her market, Yul Edochie don hear am. He don hear am, my people. Queen May elder sister, when they call Blessing 07, came all the way from America. Because as she came down from America, the reason why she came down from America now because of this Yul Edochie. Yul Edochie think that he can eat his cake and have it, or eat his bread and have it. He think that. So when this woman dey for America, this Queen May sister, now Queen May support system as in finance, in terms of finance. In terms of finance, e stand gidigba by the sister. Being that Queen May na business-oriented person when e be say e sabi do business. They say for their Ligwes family, now Queen May now resemble the parents with that hustling spirit when the parents get. Say Queen May get them. So when Blessing, in sister, noticed that Queen May love business, so he invested in Queen May. When I see that May mat, when Yul Edochie go dey call Queen May CEO extraordinary, that name when he be say Yul Edochie dey call Queen May, e no just dey call Queen May o. Na real CEO extraordinary na Queen May be o. Na Queen May be. So the money when e be say Queen May elder sister invested in that May mat, coupled with their real estate business so then they do. If for example now, say there's a landed property that came out, maybe somebody there in a distress, you want to sell in property, or somebody want to sell property, what Queen May does is that she will dive into it, buy it, and if the property na genuine, no matter the money, they go the DKK investment, they will invest the money into that property. Let me say the person, like all those people when they want to japa, they want to sell their house, they want to sell their property. What Queen May does is that Queen May will buy it. She will buy it. If that property worth maybe 30 million or 50 million, Queen May will price because the person already want to go japa, So if the property na like 50M, Queen May fit price like 40M. Being that the person dey in a hurry, the person will not sell it. Now business, yes, that's good business strategy. The person will not sell it. When the person sell it, Queen May will not resell Queen May will now make like 10M on top. So this woman they make money. When they say Queen May they make money, Queen May na business mogul. She has the money. So Yul Edochie don dey date Judy Austin. Now Yul Edochie come up with. Come see say at the rate which Queen May they make this money, hey, he no go even fit catch Queen May for corner. Not to talk less of he go there. Queen May go there front, he go there back. And Yul Edochie get jealousy spirit towards Queen May. My people, see, when you dey marry, when you want to marry or your sons and daughter want to marry, there are some things that you have to look. Woman, when he be say he ready to stand by your son, or a man when he be say he ready to stand by your, because how can you say you are married? You and somebody when they do things, the person mind not even dey wetin they do. If they plan, if they plan his own evil, if they plan his own evil against you. So, my people, oh, now you all can't see the way we say Queen May, the hustle, they make the money. Now he come up with one day. He say, make them open account for the three children, because that time Zayn Simbi Omomo, make them open for Kambili, Carl, and Danny. And so they can open account. So we will come say, maybe they put so amount there. Meanwhile, now you all be the guy there, now get access to that account. Queen May not think anything. After all, now in husband and the father of his children. Then he come talk say, make them open joint account together. Joint account to then make them come open. Then everybody will come get their separate account. So every month, money they go into that joint account. Money they go into that joint account. So before you know, sometimes that is sometimes when una see this Judy Austin, make una no blame am, because Yul Edochie na big ode. When I say big okpe, Yoruba people they call am ekpa ngari. Real ekpa na Yul Edochie be, because the kind impression when it be say give Judy Austin towards their finance, you don't get any side chick when you go they open up like that. When you go think say, you no love your first wife, maybe na him you love, because the open up was just too much. You understand? When a man they date a woman, if they get limits, they get the limits where they say you go inculcate the woman. To the extent of we even they hear say, when Queen May go there for supermarket, they supervise. You all go from this thing location just to say you all get pride. That is the mistake. Many housewives, many women, they don't buy when no be their own. Where they say now through their husband side chick now they take buy. Because when you come they carry your side chick, your wife no dey, your children they don't come out, they don't go school, house go dey empty. Because their house help, Queen May na very nice person. If their house help finish work, finish what they do, if they go learn something, because Queen May say he no go carry person pikin, make the person they work for am, then the person will come useless. So what in the do be that say once in house help finish work in the morning, they will go where them for the learn work. So that time house go empty. House go dey empty. Yul Edochie will come carry Judy Austin. They show am say see in house, that kind of pride. But common sense, no say, as if they carry Judy Ekwensu, they come the house. No say Judy Ekwensu, they get in own agenda. Judy Ekwensu go they dream, they see himself inside Queen May Aja mansion. So Yul Edochie went so far. Before you know, na so Judy come go, they do otumokpo, they do kayamata, they do juju, they put for food for Yul Edochie. anything when we say Yul Edochie tell when anything when Judy Ekwensu tell Yul Edochie in terms of money, say Yul Edochie one hand he go give, he go transfer money go give Judy. Now so Judy begin the chop, they look fine. That is hey God. Maybe God don't let us see bad thing. No. Now so Judy begin they prepare herself for second wife position. Say because this side chicken not go work. Oh. Say he want to enter into that kingdom of meanwhile another monkey they walk bamboo they chop. Monkey they walk bamboo they chop. I be now. I be. So my people, Yul Edochie come dey transfer some certain amount. When both of them get this quanta, the first thing Yul Edochie did was to clear the account of the pikin, the three pikin, Daniel, Carl, and Zain. He cleared their account. Wetin make am clear the account? Queen May no know because that account, na account wey be say they put money for them because of their education, higher institution. He clear am when Yul Edochie don broke. He clear that account. So he clear the account too. You dey see am so? Even the joint account, that time when this whole matter start, there's one check like that where Queen May been sign where Yul Edochie say dem go use for project. That particular money, fiam, he clear am. Because if your person get joint account, the person cannot withdraw money without you signing. So now blank check when it be say Queen May sign. Sometimes when Yul Edochie will need money, he go tell Queen May say he want to withdraw like 3 million or 4 million. He go say make Queen May just help and sign the blank check. If Queen May sign the blank check, being that Queen May trust am so much, she say now that 5 million na Yul Edochie go withdraw. Yul Edochie go withdraw like 10 million. When Queen May go see a lot, we call they explain, they give Queen May. You see, the filming project wey beside they do, something came up, we have to do it like this, we have to do like this. So we needed more expenses to hire a helicopter, to hire a helicopter to make the film look good. You cannot just do the act the film telling people that you went to Obodo Oyibo abroad without them seeing somebody inside the place. So all these things need us to take permission from the aviation authority, which we will pay money, and even the flight that we are going to make believe we are going to pay money. So all these things cost. Now so Yul Edochie go come explain give Queen May. Queen May go come ask and say, with all this money that you are putting into this movie, are we going to recover it? Are we going to make it? Yul Edochie, don't worry, we are going to make it times 10. It's a very lucrative business. So Queen May go come gree. Something when it go cost them like 5 million, Yul Edochie. Now so Yul Edochie take siphon Queen May money finish. Now, when there are some, you get one particular money where we say Queen May's sister give Queen May, say make he put into business. Do you know that Yul Edochie collected that money? That money, they were looking for that money. So when Queen May's sister came this time around, she went to the bank to carry Olopa police. They say they carry out investigation. How this money take disappear, everything. My people, they can't go trace them. If una see money when it be say Yul Edochie, they transfer into Judy account. Hi! No wonder Judy get mind. No wonder Judy get mind. They do. He send meleja for. He send meleja kataka for. Hey! Monkey really walk, bamboo chop, belly full. But God don't punish them because he don't punish them. Now, he don't punish them. So, when Queen May call Yul Edochie, tell am say, that money when it be say, not be the 480,000 when it be say they give am money for campaign, not be that one. There's a particular money, they say about 75 million when it be say Queen May elder sister give Queen May to buy property, because that property came up, so they needed to buy the property and they will resell. So it was in Yul Edochie's account. Then they put that money. So my people, Yul Edochie enjoy, he is so used to free money. That is why when they say and they pursue Jagaban go fees Nigeria, he is so used to free money. Yul Edochie cannot do buying and selling. Just as Queen May go brand, get her own brand of shampoo, diffuser, lipstick, all those things. Yul Edochie no get patient for that kind of money. You don't know how to pick money small, gather. You don't know say money now so that they take make money. You go pick and gather before you go call large. No, Yul Edochie want that large one when you go just sand for your account, boza. You don't know how they take hustle get that money. Even Queen May's sister, when he be say that abroad, when they send that money, you don't know say na 1 naira, 2 naira, 3 naira. Now the babe they gather before they go send that money where go land boza for your account. You don't know. So that particular money, now during this period where we say that the guy gbege, all Queen May mind say that money dey, because another separate account now they put that money. Now they can see say the money disappear. So when Queen May's sister they ask of that money, my people, I no go love marriage to the extent of I go come they entrust such money for that man, especially if na man wey be say no sabi hustle. If na man wey be say they hustle, when you know say yes, they hustle, they make money, you can entrust some certain amount of money for him. No be sit down chop like Yul Edochie when he own her to rub cream, you go come they shine when they do fine boy. No be that kind of person either they entrust money give. If you marry a lazy man, when he be say the man no dey feed the hustle, the man own now wetin he go chop, just don't just give that, don't just entrust money to the man. So Queen May's sister, they don't they ask Yul of that money. Yul no dey hear. Yul say which money? So they can't go bank to go trace this. They can't say now Judy Austin. The more gallows them. Hey, those people chop sha. Those people chop shege banza come up for Yul Edochie money. That is why they went so far. They feel that Yul Edochie get money. If mostly Mama Judy Austin, if my daughter marry from the Edochie's family, the family they are comfortable. Yul Edochie has money. He will be able to take care of my daughter. So make it their second wife. No wahala. Leave Mr. Obasi. Leave Mr. Obasi when Judy would have been doing very well with Mr. Obasi. So my people, hey, it is not a small something. Yul Edochie refused to release the money. He not even get the money, not knowing that he don't grudge the money finish. So when they go bank, when they go check, they can see say the money, see the way they take transfer the money to Judy Austin account. Hey, we may buy stand. So the bank, because una know what the God when even save we may not be all the money now Yul Edochie don't transfer. That time we see that the quarrel we may alert bank say make them freeze that account. May they not allow money go out of that account. That it has to do with family money. So then put embargo, then freeze that account. So when Queen May travel last year, when I remember when they go China, either this year, when Yul Edochie run, go meet the secretary, say make it help am sign check of 17 million. He was in a hurry, say make he sign am. The secretary refused. Because the secretary say Queen May no give am order. No give am order. No ask am to sign. That was how Yul Edochie was not able to sign. And in order say Queen May already alert bank, where they put embargo to that account. So Yul Edochie now, when they discover say Yul Edochie, that money, he was transferring it into the Moghalu's family. So the bank now, they cannot withdraw that money without Yul consent. Because yes, no matter say they don't discover the money for Yul Edochie account, and some of them go into Judy account, there's no way where we say bank, except you're not familiar with bank's policy. There's no way where bank go fit collect that money from Judy Austin or Yul Edochie without Yul Edochie signing. Because if they touch the money, Yul Edochie can sue bank, say they touch the money. So now, instead of the one be say Yul Edochie go dey, now they put, they freeze the account. That account they freeze up till now. So it's part of the money when it be say Queen May will recover for this whole court process where be say they won't go, because bank actually see say now Queen May elder sister now transfer the money. But Yul Edochie don't chop enough money come up from that money, but some still dey. So the remaining one when it dey, they don't freeze the account. They say no more withdrawing until court case go finish. Until court case go finish before the court go come use the authority. The court go use Queen May go use court order collect the money back, because that money one at the see so. The bank don already trace and say na Queen May elder sister na transfer the money to Yul Edochie. So Yul Edochie cannot say that money im make am, na im hustle the money. They see all the statements, so that is why. So we thank God though, because this Queen May sister na very big time support system to Queen May. So now e get some certain amount when e be say Yul Edochie transfer to Judy, which for the next video I go tell una how Judy Austin take waka with that money. My people, this na more gist. Make una like, make una share this video. I will bring una more update. Now have a nice day. Bye.